Welcome to my channel. Brother HL L2321D printer installation setup tutorial. Step 1. Unbox the printer, remove all packing materials, tapes, and protective covers from the Brother HL L2321D printer. Keep the power cable and driver CD ready. Step 2. Install the toner cartridge. Open the front cover and insert the toner cartridge with the drum unit properly. Push it gently until it locks into place. Step 3. Load paper into tray. Pull out the paper tray and load A4 sheets neatly. Adjust the paper guides according to the paper size. Step 4. Connect the power cable. Plug the printer into a power outlet and press the power button. Wait for the printer to complete startup. Step 5. Connect printer to computer. Use a USB cable to connect the printer to your PC or laptop. Make sure the cable is properly inserted. Step 6. Install printer drivers. Insert the driver CD or download drivers from Brother support. Run the setup file and follow the installation instructions. Step 7. Select printer connection. During installation, choose the USB connection option. The system will automatically detect the printer. Step 8. Complete the setup, finish the installation process and allow Windows to add the printer. Restart your computer if required. Step 9. Print a test page. Go to printer settings and print a test page to check if everything is working correctly. Step 10. Enable duplex printing. Open printer preferences and turn on automatic duplex printing to print on both sides of the paper easily.